Yo, what's up, y'all? Just got my hair cut, got home, it's finally quit raining. I've been waiting like 20 minutes. And now we're gonna go make a riding video. I got the GoPro, I got everything. The 32s are on the rancher. We're about to go test them in a little bit of mud, what we got. And we'll go to the creek, it's pretty low. So I'm sure the airbox seat was good. I ain't tested it yet. I'll test it soon, but I ain't gonna worry about it for today. We'll be fine today. I'm gonna go ahead and get the GoPro on. These 32s are massive. Like I said, I had to trim the floorboard. Deuce's thing's still not on. My dad's gonna put it back on because he made it, and he's better at putting it on than me because it's hard to get a socket to fit through there. You can notice so much how much taller this thing sits ever since I got 32s. I mean, it makes sense obviously, but like it just don't feel the same as 28s. It rides a lot better. Nothing shakes as much. I still need to improve the snorkel mount. It ain't like it used to be. I gotta get it right again. It's still raining just a little bit though. The four-wheeler don't smoke near as bad, but the top end don't sound the best. You can tell it's gonna need a new one soon. Not from big tires, just from it being sunk twice. I mean, that's kind of what happens when you water ride. And I can't blame it on the Honda, that's all operator. It still gets up and goes like that in first gear. It'll spin these tires pretty good. I ain't been in nothing too thick yet, but like in the stuff where I really ride in, like water, it'll spin them easy. I am running no GR for everybody that asks. I think I said that in yesterday's video. No primary or secondary, or no tune, nothing. I just bone stop. I have a stock exhaust too, and it turns these things about like it did the Outlaws. I really can't notice a difference. This is in second gear, by the way, and it kicks up mud and dirt and all that. I was taking off in second. You could hear it struggle a little bit. Well, it ain't like it is in first. There's still barely any water in here. I'll put it in second for now. I hope this seals on my rear diff. I know they ain't gonna be good. Water is obviously gonna get in it. Yeah, this stunk's dry as fruit. I'm gonna ride down here. It needs to get higher. Yeah, beavers have been down here. Look how they dammed up down here. They used to be not that dammed up. But I guess since I quit riding in here, they kind of inhabited it. How bad is this stuff? Oh, it's not even bad. I want to see if this is first. Oh, there's a stick in the way. I ain't gonna risk rolling it and try and climb over the stick. My brakes just squeal bad. It rubs a little bit when I make sharp turns, which is obviously expected with big tires like this. These are probably the smoothest riding mud tire I've ever rode with. One thing is, I did hear from a lot of people, these things suck in the sand. And I'm sorry, I can already tell that just that right there. Now it just dug right there in reverse, but yet again it is reverse. I see a lot of different people talk about how you run these. I just like the way it looks more facing this way. And that's how JP Stevens runs them, and he's the first person I ever saw with these, so I figured he would know how they go. A lot of people just say they're a directional tire. Alright, hopefully I don't get killed by a snake jumping off to move these sticks. That really sucked. Not even gonna lie to y'all. Alright. I'm gonna kick these out the way. Oh, that's a root, that ain't going nowhere. I'm just ready to get Deuce's thing back on. It's good for like deer hunting and stuff like that, and when I have friends over. How rutted out is this? Is this muddy? I bet you there's clay on the bottom. Nothing too noticeable. And I'm gonna back it out. Oh, I hate clay. Clay ruts, bro, are undefeated and stuff like this. And that root right there ain't helping. I might just get a running start. Alright, that ain't doing nothing but digging it out. I guess I ought to try and straighten it up, but I really don't want to roll in this rut, to be honest. Oh, yeah, we're already off balance a little bit. This clay is getting on my nerves. Yeah, you can hear it struggling right there, but I'm barely on the throttle. Alright, I don't want to go up there. That's a little bit risky. Oh. I just ran over a flower pot or something. Alright, I think we're good. Alright. We made it out of all that clay. That's partly on me. See how it rubs when I turn like that? You can hear it. And that's the only spot it really rubs. God, it's throwing mud. Front right clay and stuff from all that. This thing opening it up, man. Clutches are the biggest fan of the 32s, but they're gonna have to get over it. Alright, we're about to go to the worst mud hole known to this channel. This thing's got the 420 many a times. Got it stuck. People can sit on the back now without it rubbing. We had to cut the fenders taller for that. Because if somebody sat on the back, it would rub. Alright. I just weed eated this, so it'll all die in the winter, so it don't really matter. I just don't want to get on a snake. It's a lot wider. You can see how the rear tires are in the rut. The mud's not even bad right now. It ain't got enough water in it. And it's too dried up. Yeah, the mud's not bad. Alright, I'm about to try and climb up it because we always used to bottom out going up it. Oh, we're scrubbing. Yeah, we cleared it easy today. I'm gonna open this thing up on the road. You can control it a lot better with these tires than I could with Outlaws. Look at all them doves, boy. They better get ready for me to whack them later on in the month. Well, not this month, September, I believe, is when it comes in. In low gear, the exhaust is like in a lower gear and barely in the gas like that. It just sounds so good. Stop. Like every week for me, man. The snorkel makes it sound 10 times better too, just the snorkel sound. Y'all, peace out. I'll see y'all in the next video. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like and sub. Thanks for all the support y'all killed yesterday's video. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. I'm glad I can come back with such a strong fan base, and y'all are always there for me through all the ups and downs of the channel. Really appreciate it. It means a lot. Peace.